5 habits keeping you poor. That rich people never do. Listen closely, because what you're about to read is not a lesson about rich versus poor. These are mindset habits, silent, subtle patterns that most people never escape. And if you've ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you're still somehow behind, or that money seems to disappear faster than it ever comes in, the truth is simple. It's not your fault. There are 5 invisible habits that drain your money without you even realizing it. Fix these, and your entire financial future can shift. Let's begin. The first habit is spending before thinking. Most people spend the moment money hits their hands. A paycheck arrives, and within days it's gone, not because they're reckless, but because nobody ever taught them what to do with money. The difference between the rich and the poor often comes down to one simple behavior. The rich pause. They plan. They set money aside before spending a single dollar. Poor people say, "I'll save whatever is left." Rich people say, "I'll save first, then I'll spend." One approach creates freedom. The other creates stress. The fix is simple. Save even $10 every time you get paid. It's not about the amount, it's about the discipline. The second habit is buying things to impress people, and this one hits deep because so many fall into it without noticing. A new phone, new shoes, new gadgets, all bought for one quiet reason: to look like they're doing better than they really are. But the truth is that rich people don't dress rich, they invest rich. They don't care about looking successful, they care about being secure, being stable, being free. Poor people chase the image. Rich people chase the outcome. Before you buy anything, ask yourself, is this for my happiness or for other people's approval? Your answer will tell you everything. The third habit is having no clear plan for money. Most people don't track what they spend, where their money goes, or what their financial goals even are. And when you don't control your money controls you. Rich people don't necessarily keep complicated spreadsheets. They simply know how much they earn, how much they spend, how much they save, and why. Poor people live in reaction. Rich people live with intention. The fix is small but powerful. Write 3 simple lines: needs, wants, savings. That tiny plan alone can save you thousands every year. The fourth habit is avoiding money problems instead of facing them. And this one keeps more people poor than almost anything else. Avoiding your bank balance, avoiding bills, avoiding debt, avoiding uncomfortable conversations about money. Every time you avoid it, the problem grows. Rich people face their money problems early, while they're still small. Poor people wait until it becomes an emergency. And emergencies are always expensive. The fix: check your bank balance once a day. Not to judge yourself, but to stay aware. Awareness is the first step to wealth. The fifth and final habit is relying on only one income. This is a silent trap. If you depend on one job, one salary, one source of money, your entire life is one decision away from falling apart. Rich people know that one income pays the bills, but extra income builds the future. Even an extra $100 a month can change everything over time. Poor people wait for the perfect idea, while rich people start small and grow slowly. So ask yourself, what small skill can earn me $50 this month? That's it. Start tiny, but start. These 5 habits don't make you a bad person. They make you human. Every one of us grows up surrounded by money mistakes, but almost none of us grow up learning actual money skills. The difference between staying broke and becoming financially free is awareness. Save first. Stop impressing people. Make a simple plan. Face your money honestly. Build one small extra income. If you fix even one of these habits this month, your future self will thank you. This is Simply Finance, and we make money simple for everyone. See you in the next video.